Hey there, savvy investors and money enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel World of Wealth, where we talk about wealth and luxury lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the world of assets that are more valuable than plain old cash. If you're ready to discover where you should park your money for long-term growth, stay tuned. Investing is never easy. Everyone wants to see their money increase with strong returns while posing the fewest risks. Nonetheless, many of us still adhere to the conventional concept of saving. Saving is a good idea, but investing in assets is much better. Saving money can be a problem in the long run because savings accounts and low interest rates are not adjusted for inflation. As a result, the value of your money depreciates with time, as does its purchasing power. Cash might be king, but there are assets that can offer you much more than the safety of liquid funds. Let's explore the top 10 assets that can potentially grow and preserve your wealth over time. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Foreign currency. The United States dollar is one of the most frequently accepted foreign currencies in the world. However, the country's principal currency is vulnerable to significant changes, depending on trade and the overall economy. Aside from that, the global economy has an impact on the variations caused by commodity prices. In such instances, investing in currencies with smaller swings and inflation rates is a preferable alternative. The Swiss franc and the euro are two examples. Investing in a foreign currency necessitates extensive research. Choose the currency carefully based on the economic, political, and speculative circumstances surrounding the country to which it relates. Number 2. Precious metals and diamonds. Diversifying into precious metals like gold and silver can act as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, serving as a store of value in turbulent times. Gold and silver have traditionally been attractive choices for investors seeking to protect their investments while also allowing for long-term growth. Given the demand and supply curve, the prices of these precious metals only rise with time. As a result, this is a possibility that should never be discounted. However, other metals, such as platinum and rhodium, are more valuable due to their scarcity. Furthermore, investing in gemstones is a more ethical approach to invest than saving cash. Diamonds, emeralds, rubies, and sapphires are just a few of the gemstones that have seen a significant increase in value over time. Number 3. Real estate and land. When you begin making money, there will be a slew of people offering you free advice on investments. Property investment will be at the top of the list. Though it is a good notion, it may be difficult to endure the burden of monthly EMIs in the early stages of your profession. Speak with a few property consultants about pooling opportunities. This is when a group of people combine their money to buy a reasonably priced house or land and split the profits. Renting it out or selling it when the market is hot allows gains to be divided among investors based on the percentage of investment they put in. Owning property not only provides a roof over your head, but also the potential for rental income and long-term appreciation. Investing in farmland and agriculture provides a tangible asset with potential for income through crop production and land appreciation. Number 4. Stocks and index funds. Investing in carefully chosen companies through the stock market can offer substantial returns, potentially outpacing inflation. Stocks are unquestionably one of the best ways to invest. Purchasing shares in a reputable company or a potential new company can be quite beneficial in the long run. The growth of your investment is determined by the company's performance and its contribution to the economy. Bonds are another smart strategy to protect your savings. Though the returns aren't as great as in stocks or other funds, they are higher than bank interest rates and hence respond well when inflation rises. When you don't have much time to analyze specific company performances and watch their return history, index funds are your best bet. Index funds are a collection of the top-performing equities on that index and are thus optimized for performance. If a share fails to meet the required criteria, it is promptly replaced by the next best share in line. As a result, your investment is constantly performing for you based only on market conditions. Number 5. Cryptocurrencies. The digital age introduces us to cryptocurrencies. While volatile, they offer potential for high returns and diversification, appealing to those looking for alternative investment options. It is no surprise that with the rise of fintech and cryptocurrencies, it is a better option than keeping money stashed under your mattress. With blockchain technology only growing cleaner and more widely embraced, digital currencies may be a wonderful method to park your money in the next few years with attractive returns. Number 6. Art and collectibles. Investing in art and collectibles not only offers aesthetic pleasure, but can appreciate significantly over time, becoming a valuable part of your portfolio. Not all art sells well. Knowing the history or story behind a particular work, as well as how the tale gained traction, increases the value of the art. Buying art, whether it be paintings, murals, crafts, or a piece of history or culture, is not for the faint of heart. However, it, like land and real estate, can be purchased through a pooling of resources. Because this is a long-term investment, make sure you understand what you're getting into. Digital collectibles are another item from the blockchain world that will provide good profits as it grows. As more individuals around the world use non-fungible tokens (NFTs), their applications will diversify, enhancing their value, quite comparable to the worth of mobile phones or the internet. Investing in and owning non-fungible tokens could be an excellent financial strategy. Number 7. Luxury items. We've all seen our favorite celebs wear stunning watches and leave airports with fancy purses. They are not attempting to flaunt their affluence. Not in the traditional sense, at any rate. These high-end things are investments. Their worth stems from their scarcity. Because luxury labels do not mass-produce products, the resale value of the items will only rise in the next 10 years. Luxury watches and handbags, in particular, are a good real-time investment and have thus entered our list. Number 8. Intellectual property. The monetization of intellectual property from patents to copyrights offers potential for ongoing revenue streams and long-term value. Number 9. Vintage vehicles. This is an option for individuals who understand which motors do not lose value over time. Motorized vehicles, in general, are a liability in that their value depreciates and you must spend money on maintenance. However, the appropriate sort vintage are a valuable asset. Once you've gained some investing knowledge, looking at vintage automobiles that are no longer manufactured or have a popular narrative behind them would be a good investment to make. Number 10. Commodities. The commodity market is similar to the stock market. Any new investor would benefit greatly from learning how to select the best commodities to invest in. Steel, for example, is a raw material used in innumerable projects around the globe, and thus will always be in demand and supply in the global economy. Similarly, given how prevalent they are in the logistics and transport of most items around the world, oil and natural gas have their own method of regulating a lot of product pricing around the world. Understanding more about commodities and how the market works will help you decide on your investing strategy. Lastly, as a bonus for the true believers of the assets valuable other than cash, we have a bonus for you. That is, knowledge. The power to learn and acquire new skills is invaluable. It can lead to better career prospects and personal growth. Invest in yourself and see the magic happen. Remember, life's true treasures are not always made of cash. And there you have it, a selection of assets that can potentially outperform holding cash in the long run. What type of assets are you most interested in exploring? Share your thoughts in the comments. Invest in these 10 hidden gems and watch your life transform before your eyes. If you found this insight valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and continue learning about the world of wealth building. Until next time, may your assets grow and your portfolio thrive. Happy investing to you all.